Welcome back, everybody. I have some Alaskan sockeye salmon fillets. Woo-wee. Let me know down below if you like salmon. I love salmon. Didn't grow up eating it, but now that I'm an adult, I eat salmon whenever I get a chance. So we are gonna make griddle seared salmon with spinach and rice. Thawed Alaskan sockeye salmon, avocado oil. I like to use avocado oil. It helps with the sear. I'm going to use Blackstone's SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. I like to use any variety of salt, pepper, garlic, or a lemon pepper. Still using that Blackstone Bronco 28-inch XL griddle smoker combo. High heat to sear the salmon. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I always like to start and end my cooks with a light coat of my cooking oil. It's a hot griddle top though. Be careful, I'm using my bare hands. You can use tongs or gloves. The griddle is steaming hot. I'm gonna put my salmon flesh side and seasoning side down, straight on the griddle top. I love to use this rice that's all ready to go. They market this as microwavable rice, but we don't need a microwave because we have the griddle. We're gonna make this 3 servings today. It's kind of fun. The rice will occasionally jump on a hot griddle top. A little bit of the avocado oil. I mentioned lemon pepper earlier. Since I'm gonna put fresh lemon on the salmon, we'll use some lemon pepper over here on the rice. Let's get some fresh garlic. I'm gonna crush these and peel the skin off. Chop the garlic up into small pieces. Check it out. I bring this out every couple of years. It's a vintage Blackstone fish spatula. No longer on the market. These were made about 6 or 7 years ago. You can buy a fish spatula just about anywhere you buy cookware, but a Blackstone fish spatula. They're nice and thin, so I recommend a thin fish spatula or one of the older, thin, basic Blackstone spatulas. Allows you to get underneath the fish without breaking it apart. Just slides under really easy. Go in for the flip. If I want, I can go ahead and put just a little more seasoning on top. We'll move this salmon over here to the right. I'm gonna come down below and turn this burner off altogether. I love using a Blackstone that has 3 or 4 or 5 burners because it gives you more flexibility. You can turn a couple of burners on, turn a couple off, and you don't have that direct heat. Rice is looking nice. A little bit of avocado oil in the center. Down with the garlic. Saute the garlic in the oil for a few seconds. Come down below and turn everything to low. So we're low, low, and off right now. Put my garlic over here on my spatula so it doesn't burn. Big, huge, bulk spinach containers that you can buy at Sam's and Costco. Spinach actually cooks down quite a bit, so you're gonna need a little more spinach than what you think you'll need. Garlic into the spinach. We'll let that cook in the oil for a minute or 2. Salmon's looking good. Spinach is looking good. Rice is looking good. I'm gonna put a little bit of fresh lemon juice in my rice. A little bit more of the lemon pepper. It's only been about 2 minutes. You can see that spinach is just about done. We'll let it hang out here on my spatula. I'm gonna grab my griddle scraper and see, this is experimental, I've never done it before. We're gonna see if we can cut our salmon right here on the griddle top. Note to self, I should have cut that beforehand. Your salmon is done when it flakes just like that. That's gonna be my sacrificial piece of salmon. A little bit of fresh lemon. Gonna come over to my serving platter, go down with some of that spinach, some of this rice, and in for the salmon. Oh my goodness. Get some lemon slices on top. One last squirt of the lemon juice. Take a look at that. Really is easy. You could have used a number of seasonings. Some people like to use quinoa instead of rice. You could use asparagus instead of spinach. I've shown this before. It's really hard to see. It's from the 2021 Griddle Mortar. Had a fan out in Virginia make it for me. Let's cleanse the palate. It's time to give it a try. I love that salmon, but I need to go in for a bite of the carbs first. Let's give it a try. See how it just flakes? I like to have spinach with my salmon. You can see how it just flakes when you pull it apart. Sockeye salmon. Rice has just a little bit of a crispy crunch on the outside. It's so good. That salmon, so good, so delicious. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to have a stack of new ingredients or combinations that nobody has heard of before. You can buy a fresh piece of salmon at your local market. If you live in Alaska or up in Seattle, you can get the really fresh stuff, and you can use rice, you can use any type of vegetables on the side. Absolutely delicious. I'll get this recipe up at blackstoneproducts.com, and I do appreciate your time. So let me know down below what you thought of the video. Let me know. Some people will say, I've heard it before, they're like, well, I'll eat all kinds of stuff, but I don't eat seafood. Let me know down below. Come on, I think you'll love salmon. It's delicious. It's one of my favorites. And before I forget, make sure you're watching all my friends on the Blackstone Network, whether you're talking the Hungry Hussy or whether you're talking my buddy Chef Nate. There's all kinds of crazy personalities out on the Blackstone Network. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the salmon.